Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel Ultimate Design। आज हम एक बहुत ही डिफरेंट वीडियो लेके हाजिर हुए हैं आपके सामने। So keep on watching to get all the informations। आगे बढ़ने से पहले प्लीज सब्सक्राइब to our channel to never miss our latest videos। Today, Ultimate Design presents all types of gardening and landscaping plants for your home or office decor. It can be used for indoor or outdoor, and can be real or artificial too. Adding natural elements to your living space has a long list of benefits. They provide a calming feel, inject some greenery into your decor, help in indoor air quality and many more. Let's go to our website findinteriordesign.com to know how you can get all the products showed in the video, with their great deals. This is the front page of our website. Scroll down, and you'll get different options, as per your need. Go to the Interior Material and Services option. Here, you can see many variations about home materials. Click on the wall decor section. Now you'll get 5 different choices, you can go accordingly. Let's go to the fourth option, to get all the informations about today's item. Here, you have to fill a form to get the details about the products. Here, you'll get all the details about the best manufacturers, who provide latest trending gardening and landscaping plants, at their best prices. Hope you got a clear idea about our website. Let's get back into the video. Nowadays, artificial house plants are being very popular in living spaces, as they are easy to maintain, sustainable, don't create any mess, and lots more. Add a touch of nature in your surroundings with findinteriordesign.com. We also provide free installation facility to our customers. Every step in it requires skillful handwork, which our workers do effortlessly. From picking the crop to dye coloring the raw materials, as well as manufacturing of the end product, every steps are done under our own hands, carefully. We have the whole supply and manufacturing chain directly under our own control. We always provide latest technology service to our customers, as these items have the latest sound absorbing properties. The sound absorbing system allows you live peacefully, without the harsh, disturbing noises of today's rushing world. In our website, you'll find many new, innovative options and solutions to provide pleasant experiences to our consumers. These artificial plants are resistant to pests, so you don't have to use pesticide or insecticides to take care of them. That's how it saves your money too. You can also give new color, or shape, or look, as per your choice, to change the appearance of these plants. Now you can enjoy your vacations or trips without worrying about survival of your plants, as these plants don't need water or air or sunlight to survive. We use long-lasting and advanced quality materials to give as realistic look as a real one, as we don't compromise in quality. So you can enjoy these plants for many years, without worrying about withering, or pest, and water damage. However, you need to wash them occasionally to keep them looking fresh and in tip-top condition all year round. We promise to satisfy each and every customers with our service. Let's find together the place you deserve. Please like our video, it motivates us to work more hard for you guys. Don't forget to comment down your opinions about the video, and please let us inform on which topic the next video should be.